our Pope right now is Pope Leo the 14th, right? He followed Pope Leo the 13th. And Pope Leo the 13th reigned during 1878 to 1903. Emphasized the importance of mercy in various writings, particularly in his encyclicals. He often spoke about the need for compassion and charity towards others, reflecting the Christian understanding of mercy as central to moral life and social justice. Central, meaning the center of our Christian life concerning morals is mercy in social justice. One of his notable encyclicals was Rerum Novarum 1891. Addresses social issues, encourages a merciful approach to the plight of the poor and the working class. Possible that this is one of the reasons why Pope Leo wanted to have this title, Pope Leo the 14th, because he wants to continue that mercy should always be above sacrifice, especially to us leaders who are in the church. Like these people in the gospel, the Pharisees, they were leaders, spiritual leaders, Pharisees, Sadducees, scribes, mga leaders ito, magagaling sa Biblia, Torah, the Pentateuch, magagaling, memorize. But look, sino ang sinabihan ni Lord na dapat sila ang maawain rather than the tax collector? Dapat ang tax collector yun ang tinatawag na, kasi tinawag sila noon, public sinner. Para bagang ang public sinner noon, dalawa, yung mga prostitutes and the tax collector. Yung iiwasan ka, maglalakad ka from your house to your office, iiwasan ka ng mga tao. Para kang may COVID, para kang may ketong, ganun. Kaya probably kung ikaw yung, you try to emphasize Matthew, para siyang nabibigatan. And probably in his mind and heart, I want to change, Lord. Ayaw ko ng buhay na ito, iniiwasan ng mga tao. Probably he prayed and the Lord heard his prayer. Follow me. So eventually, he followed the Lord. So naawa ang Panginoon sa kanya, nagmamakaawa din siya. Gusto niyang magbago ang kanyang buhay. And here comes, dahil si Jesus ay joining with these tax collectors, ito na mga spiritual leaders noon, very, criticizer, no? They criticize, why is your leader or master joining with this public sinner? Kaya si Lord, ito na yung advice niya. If you try to define what is mercy and sacrifice, can you try to elaborate? Look, find the meaning of this. I desire mercy. And remember, this is the heart of Christ, mercy. There may be sacrifice that we will do during Holy Week, no? Yan, flagellation, yan, ganan, mga sakripisyo, luhod, ayuno, everything. We do sacrifices. Even this is one of the names of the Mass is the Holy Sacrifice. Kaya isa sa mga matutunan natin sa Ebanghelyong ito, we as leaders must prioritize mercy. We continue to do the sacrifice, but we must also be merciful, especially those who are in need. Mercy is very necessary when we do sacrifice, as if the Lord said, what is the essence of your sacrifice if you don't show mercy? Paano ang sakripisyo, pagmamalasakit, pagtitiis, paggagawa ng mga kahirapan sa buhay, para kay Lord, hindi ka naman naaawa. So para sa Panginoon, this is really His mercy when He was crucified on the cross. Merciful to Judas, merciful to Peter and the apostles, and those who whip Him, Father, forgive them. They do not know what they do. Amen? Sa buhay kaya natin, sino yung mga tao na madili tayong mairita, pero ang galing mo magrosaryo, ang galing mo magdasal, ang galing mo magnovena, pero ang bilis-bilis natin mairita. Sino yan? Na kung magkasala siya, hindi ka naaawa. Kung magkamali siya, sigaw ka agad. Kung mayroon siya nagawang pangit, aalburuto agad yung dugo. Hindi man lang natin may pakita yung awa. Para yung dasal, sakripisyo, at aksyon sa awa, nagkakaisa. Para sabihin ng iba, he lived what he prayed. He lived what he worshiped. Kasi sobrang pangit, di ba? Bakit ganyan siya? Mapagsimba pero madaling magmura. Bakit ganyan siya? Rosaryo ng rosaryo, tapos sinisigawan ako. Bakit ganyan siya? Ang galing magsakripisyo para kay Lord. Pero ang sakit-sakit magsalita. Di ba parang it goes against with our life. Amen? Again, Jesus said, I desire mercy. You may not do sacrifice, but just be merciful. Because to show mercy is already a sacrifice. Pope Francis, mayroon siyang encyclical, yung tinatawag na Misericordia et Misera, published in November 2016. This letter was released at the conclusion of the extraordinary Jubilee of Mercy, which took place in 2015 to 2016. In Misericordia et Misera, Pope Francis reflects on the significance of mercy in the life of the church and encourages the faithful to practice mercy in their daily lives. Yung mga tao na lalapit sa atin, hihingi, the plan of God, you practice just a little every day. He highlights the importance of forgiveness, compassion, and the call to be merciful as God is merciful.